Okay, children. Next, move on to the fourth property. Okay. Already we discussed three properties. Next, we move on to the fourth property, that is additive identity. Okay. What is additive identity? The name itself says that this property is for addition, not for subtraction. It's addition. Tell me, children, when you add an integer, with which integer gives you the same answer? When you add a number, with which number gives the same number? Yes, 0. So let's see that. A is an integer, positive. A is an integer, positive 8. Okay. So positive 8 plus dash gives you positive 8. By adding positive 8, with which number gives you positive 8? Yes, by adding with 0. Okay. Or negative 7 plus dash gives you negative 7. By adding with which number gives you negative 7? Yes, exactly, 0. So this is happening because we are getting the same answer of the number taken because we are adding with 0. So 0 is revealing the identity of the given number positive 8. Positive 8 as positive 8 itself. Negative 7 as negative 7 itself. Who is doing that? Which number is doing that? 0. So this property is known as additive identity. And 0 is called additive identity element. So in one word, the question would be asking which integer is known as the additive identity element. So what would be your answer? The additive identity element is 0. Why? Because when we add any integer with 0, the answer is the same integer itself. So positive 5 plus dash equal to positive 5. So what do you feel here? Yes, 0. What do you call 0? 0 is called the additive identity element. And what do you call this property? Additive identity property. Because why the name is given like this? Identity. Identity of the number positive 5 is revealed as it is by the number 0. So 0 is known as the additive identity element. Okay. This property is known as additive identity. So what we can say? If A is an integer, then A plus 0 is equal to A, or 0 plus A equal to A. Any order, if you add with 0, the answer will be the same number. And this property is known as additive identity. Okay. Next. Next. Fifth property. Next property is fifth property. That is additive inverse. This property you already know in the first class notes. It is written additive inverse. What do you mean by when we discuss the integer? The introduction, I have already explained what is additive inverse. That is, if you take a number A equal to positive 8, then B, its opposite, negative 8. When you add these two, A plus B is equal to positive 8 plus negative 8, you know what's the answer coming? 0. Okay. So positive 8 and negative 8 are known as additive inverse of each other. So what do you mean by additive inverse? Numbers are same but signs are different. Numbers having same numbers having different signs are known as additive inverse. And the property is when you add a number and its additive inverse, you will get the answer 0. And 0 you already learned what is 0. Additive identity. Additive identity. Okay. Now, that is if a is an integer, then a plus negative a. What is the answer? If a is an integer, then its opposite is negative a. When you add an integer and its opposite integer, what's the answer? 0. And what do you call that 0? Additive identity element. Now tell me, negative 5 plus dash equal to 0. What do you feel here? Yes, negative 5 plus positive 5. Right? So, negative 5 is called the additive inverse of positive 5 and positive 5 is called the additive inverse of negative 5. And when you add these two numbers, the answer is 0. What do you call 0? 0 is known as additive identity. Additive identity, and this property is known as additive inverse property. Okay. So, we have learned 5 properties. Based on this 5 property, I am going to show some questions. Okay. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks suitably and write the property used in each question. Okay, so our question is fill in the blanks suitably and write the property used in each question. So children, recollect all the properties, the 5 properties which you have learned and go through the question and then answer. Okay, question number 1. Positive 8 plus negative 6. Okay. Write the answer and then property. So here what is given? 2 integers are given addition. So you know the addition. Add, what do you get? When 2 integers have different sign, always remember the rule. When 2 integers have different sign, subtract and put the sign of the bigger number. So the answer is positive 2. Positive 2 is an integer. So what property is used here? The first property. The property name is closure. Closure property. What is closure property? When we add 2 integers or when we subtract 2 integers, the answer is also an integer. Okay? Now, question 2. Positive 63 plus dash equal to 0. Answer should be 0. So what should come here? The given integer is positive 63. So what should come here? Yes, the opposite of positive 63. The opposite of positive 63 is negative 63. So they are known as additive inverse. So this property is known as additive inverse. Okay. Now next one, third one. Negative 81 plus dash equal to negative 81. So when you add an integer negative 81 with some another number, you should get the same number. How it is possible? You have to add negative 81 with which integer? Yes, exactly, with 0. So what do you call this property? When you add an integer with 0, we are getting the same integer, and this property is known as, yes, additive identity. Additive identity. Okay? Now, next one, fourth one. Negative 11 plus negative 14 plus 6 equal to negative 11 plus bracket negative 14 plus dash. Look at how many integers. This is easy to identify because 3 integers coming property, you have only one. What is that property? Yes, associative property. So what comes here? 6. So this property is associative property. Okay? Now, question number 5. Negative 8 plus negative 1 is equal to dash plus negative 8. Two integers adding in any order. When two integers are added in any order, that property is known as commutative property. So what comes here? Negative 1. Okay? And this property is known as commutative property. I hope you have understood all these questions and how to apply the property, isn't it? So I'll be sending the notes and homework. Write all the notes and homework neatly and send it to me in personal WhatsApp. Okay? It's time to wind up the class. Thank you.